What up guys, Miguel here of YugaTech, and last time we had our hands on Realme's latest, the Realme 5 and Realme 5 Pro. We never got to do a video on the Realme X, but today we have the love child of the Realme X and the 5 Pro, the Realme XT. Stay tuned for our unboxing and quick hands-on. Alright, so after opening the lid of the box, we are greeted with another box with a message from Realme welcoming us to their family. Inside this second box, we get a clear case as well as the paperwork. Next, we have the device itself, setting that aside first. Under it, we get a 20-watt VOOC 3 flash charger included, as well as the proprietary USB Type-C to A cable with some yellow accents. And lastly, we have the SIM ejector tool. So for the phone itself, it's pretty clear that the XT adopts the dewdrop notch found on the 5 Pro. Unlike the 5 Pro, the XT sports a glass back protected with Gorilla Glass 5. Our unit is in the pearl blue colorway, but there is a pearl white option that I prefer. What's awesome about this design is the way the gradient layer kind of pinches itself to the vertical center. Also found here is the main quad camera setup composed of a 64 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel macro, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. What's annoying about this design is that yellow accented sensor over there at the top isn't actually the 64 megapixel sensor, and it's labeled as the 64 megapixel main sensor. The actual main sensor is right below it, so I don't know, kinda weird. On the left side, we can find the volume rocker. Above it is the dual SIM card tray with dedicated micro SD card slot, so we do get expandable storage on this thing of up to 256 gigs. On the right resides the gold accented power button, which we think was a nice touch, and button tactility and ergonomics is great on this device. At the bottom, we can find the single downward firing speaker, USB Type-C port, noise cancelling mic for regular calls, and a still alive but barely breathing for other manufacturers 3.5mm audio jack. Give this video a thumbs up if you got the script reference. Under the hood of the Realme XT is a Snapdragon 712 chipset coupled with an Adreno 616 GPU. Our unit sports 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and out of the box we get Android 9 Pie skinned with ColorOS 6 on top. For battery, the XT gets a now more common 4000 mAh cell with support for VOOC 3 flash charge. Again, that's 20-watt flash charging technology, and I cannot stress how great it is to see the power brick included in the box. So that's it for this unboxing and hands-on of the Realme XT. Let us know how you think and feel about this device in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of future uploads. Be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I will see you in the next one.